Okay, hopefully you guys can see this okay. I got my camera as far back in the corner of the lab as possible. Hopefully it doesn't get zapped from the frame. But hopefully I don't have no wide angle lens, but hopefully you could see the whole thing here. And my bulb way back here. It's only about 26 inches away right now. I'm going to start by tapping my primary at winding number 6. The software points to resonance being in tune around tapping in around 7.7 windings. So I want you guys to go through this. I'm going to start at 6 and I'm going to go to winding 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then I'll switch to every half tap, 6.5, 7.5, 8.5, only because it takes a little time in putting my tap from one side of the table to the other. So I'll try all this half and then go on that half. This way you guys can see what I've been watching. Hopefully you can see both spark gaps under there, I hope. We're starting out at tap turn number 6. Let's watch what happens. As I change taps, the reaction between the spark gaps will become different. Okay, tapping at number 6. 1, 2, 3. That was it. Whoop. That's it. Okay. The temperature in here right now is 96 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity says 32%. We'll see what it is. Right now it is 1:40 p.m. Okay, I'm ready to test it on tap number 7. First I want to state, notice at number 6 the main gaps were sparking fine. It only ran for about 2-3 seconds. I turned it off, waited a few seconds, turned it back on. Main spark gap again looked good for a few seconds again, and then the safety gaps started sparking brightly, and I turned it off right away at that point. So, but no, I didn't notice any discharge from the top. You guys will have to watch with me here. Alright, testing it, tap number 7. 3, 2, 1. Buzz, buzz, buzz. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1. I'm only seeing the main gap sparking, not the safety gaps at all. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oop. There we go. I didn't notice any discharge from the top yet. It only ran for 1 or 2 seconds, less time than it even did a minute ago. Alright, let's get ready for 8. Okay, winding number 8. Off. On. Off. I kind of went back and forth there. It's very loud. Woo! One loud spark. Alright. So winding number 8. Let me get things ready for 9. Winding number 9. Don't want that. Hang on, give it a second. 3, 2, 1, let's try it again. Whoa. Do not want that. All right. Okay, winding number 10. Alright, there's too much sparking on my safety gaps here. Alright. Okay, going for winding number 11. I didn't notice that last time, but usually I get to discharging off the top around 10, or at least I did at one time. Now, I'm going to have to check those safety gaps again. I think they're exactly where they're supposed to be, where I originally set them outside of the circuit. Now, you don't want to widen those gaps more than they're supposed to be. You should have some sparking periodically. Weak sparks. Let's see. Alright, but anyhow, number 11. 3, 2, 1. Again. Now, if you hear buzzing, that means the power is still on and the system stopped by itself. If you don't hear anything, that means I switched off the power. That looked good. Well, why doesn't it stay running? Am I getting any jumps on top now? No. I still don't see any streamers. Alright, that's 11. Let's try 12. One more. Okay, winding number 12. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, well that I saw. It's the end of my spark gap. Alright, we're going to have to check that out. That's the first time I've ever seen that. Alright, let's check that out. That's we had some sparkage there where it should not have been. So let me check that out. This is serious.